National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 3 p.m. At 1:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Falcon, or 17 miles east of Colorado Springs, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters earlier reported ping pong ball sized hail. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Yoder, Ellicott, and Rush. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A strong thunderstorm will